Naidu, Usma, Sai Nitish, and Lavanya, under the guardians of Dr. Pujya Sridevi Madam, Assistant Professor of Commerce. Now we focus on introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic cast out flood of uncertainty upon the world. The most of industries, brands, and business are struggling to find the strong foothold and maintain their enterprises. Now we focus on the concept of digital marketing. Digital marketing can be described as actively promoting products and services using digital distribution channels as an alternative to the more traditional mediums such as television, print, and radio. Today's customer is more convenient of marketing messages all around them. In the golden age of television and advertisement of one of the big three networks can be reached 70% of audience views. Today's consumers receive 1 million marketing messages an year of average. Sit good. I hand to my friend Lakshmi Naidu.
We will be focused on types of digital marketing. Website marketing and paid search and research, paid search marketing and search engine marketing, video marketing, email marketing and social media marketing, etc. We will be focused on review of literature. Having examined the digital marketing and various effects in implementation of digital marketing towards customer satisfaction on Bhadradri Kottagudem district. The main purpose of this is draw to attention of maintenance of quality in digital marketing towards customer satisfaction. We will be focused on objectives of the study. The main objectives of the present study is examine the role of digital marketing towards customer satisfaction in Bhadradri Kottagudem district, especially referenced with Kottagudem town. The sub-objectives of the present study: the understand the concept of digital marketing and examine the role of digital marketing in high-value audiences to evaluate the customer satisfaction through digital marketing by the selected customers in Bhadradri Kottagudem district, specially referenced with Kottagudem town. To examine the marketing strategies to improve the customer satisfaction through digital marketing in Bhadradri Kottagudem district, specially referenced with Kottagudem. To offer suggestions to improve the marketing strategies. To continue with my friend Sai Nitish. Usma.
Need scope and statement of the problem of the study. Any marketing that used electronic device and can be used by marketing specialist to convey promotional messaging and measure its impact on customer satisfaction. The scope of the present study is confined to Bhadradri Kottagudem district in relation to selected criteria. With the advent of economic reforms and globalization, competition has become very true in order to survive domestic as well as globalization.
May I request the audience to kindly maintain the decorum of the hall and stop murmuring and grumbling. Give opportunity to the team presenting confidently then. If we find anyone grumbling, I think we'll be thrown out of the room then.
More and more competition are recognizing the importance of necessity of digital marketing. Methodology and database sample design. The methodology adopted in the present study regarding selection of sample, period of study, data source analysis, and interpretation of data. The present study is based on both primary data as well as secondary data. In order to evaluate digital marketing practice toward customer satisfaction in Bhadradri Kottagudem district, Kottagudem town has been chosen. The total sample of samples have the total sample customer satisfaction as fixed to 100, which include 100 are from rural area, remaining from urban area. Period of study, tools of analysis. The period of present study of 3 years from 2019 to 2020 to 2021 to 2022 in order to draw trends in quality of digital marketing regarding implementation of customer satisfaction in town of Kottagudem. Tools of analysis. While analyzing the secondary data, variance statistical technique like mean, weighted average, standard deviation and analysis of variance through one-way classification, and tests have been completed. Now I will be hand over to my friend scientist.
Hypothesis. Unconformities are the objective of the study. Certain hypotheses have been formulated and tested. Careful in-depth examinations of literature related to the people. Customer satisfaction through digital marketing. The following broad hypotheses have formulated and tested. Customer live within their means, brands, focus less on brands, and more on product and functionality and pricing. Customer focus on health and safety. They choose a product they trust to be safe and minimal risk the way they shop. Customer try to minimize their impact on environment and buy from brands and reflect their beliefs. Customer live in the moment to take most of life open to trying in new products and brands and experiences. Limitations of the study. Secondary data was sometimes gathered from more than one source which lack of uniformity, consistency, regularity, information taken from internal records and limitations, non-availability and regularity. The question used for the purpose of following primary data for the respondents suffered due to a different level of perception, interpretation and behavior of sample respondents. Customer satisfaction through digital marketing gathered since they are widely spread over, hence they study reflect wave of selected category only. While calculating the average perception, approximation have been made for the value of 2 decimal digits. Chapter layout. Keep in the view of objective of the study organized into 4 types. Chapter 1 is introduction and chapter 2 framework of digital marketing, customer satisfaction through digital marketing. 4th chapter is conclusion and suggestions. Major findings. Out of 200 sample customers, 61.50% of customers mail as they prefer to choose a digital marketing. 43.33% of customers falls under the group age 21 to 30 years of as they feel comfortable they go cashless. Customer fear with information 30% as they are available in the digital marketing. Next continue to my friend Lavanya.
We focused on digital marketing suggestion. Seeking feedback from customers through different social media platform highlights the brand for new and potential customers. Ensure that the feedback remains influenced from the company or organization and which is help for improved products and services for more customer satisfaction through digital marketing and effective and timely interaction with customer